Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today here I am sharing my black smoky eye look with you all. Can you just believe this smoky eye look is just done by my fingers, no brushes used, nothing. See how I got this look only with my fingers. So let's get started. Okay, so for glowy look we need lots and lots of moisturizer and that glow from within. So for that first I'm using this Aquaholic moisturizer from Sugar. I'll be just taking this much and applying it on my face. So the primer which I am using is this. This is from Miss Claire. I'll be just taking a little bit and applying it on my T-zone. So the primer is also sitting for a minute. Now it has become so smooth. Now I'll be applying the foundation. This foundation is cult favorite Maybelline's Fit Me. This is a little bit light for me, so I'll be just applying it and वैसे भी Maybelline oxidize हो जाता है. So yeah, I'll be just taking little bit. Very light for me, but I feel ना ये वाला oxidize हो जाता है जल्दी से because whenever I go out and if I wear this foundation. It exactly looks like my skin color, so yeah, I don't mind using. And वैसे भी ये खत्म होने को आया है, so why not just empty it out. I'll be taking this beauty sponge. This is from Mini, so I've been using this since quite a long time and I'm really loving it. Now it's time for concealer. For concealer, I'll be using LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. I'll be just taking. So I'll be just taking. This is also from Miniso. Okay, so concealer is also done. Now let's get on to powder. So yeah, so I'll be using this MAC Studio Fix powder. It is in the shade NW25. So yeah, I'll be just applying and powdering it. Okay, so powder is also done. So now it's time for a little blush. So yeah, but let's do one thing. I'll just tell you a little bit about myself so we can interact with each other and get to know each other. So yeah, I am an engineer graduate, 2020 pass out. So I have a 9 to 5 job, but I like playing with makeup and fashion. So this is something I do additionally on Saturdays and Sundays. Something I love and I really want to make something out of it. So yeah, I really like it. So let me know in the comments who are you, what do you do, and yeah, let's connect with each other. Also, you can join me on my Instagram and yeah, let's chat there as well. Okay, so now I'll be using this blush. This is from In Color. This is a glimmer blusher. So in the shade, very pigmented. So for blush, I'm just taking the same brush and I'll be just. So what? Can you see? This is so pigmented. मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे इसको ज़्यादा blend करना पड़ेगा because I look like a joker. I don't use this blush that often because it's shiny. I just stick to my matte blushes, but yeah, let's see how we can work this out. I'm just taking one more clean brush so that ये अच्छे से blend हो जाए. This is from MAC. Yeah, now it looks pretty subtle. Not that subtle, but yeah, it is looking comparatively better. Okay, so blush is done. This is the result after blending it. Camera is not doing the justice, but I can see myself in the mirror. It is so damn pigmented. Now also it looks very pink, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So now for the highlighter, I'll be taking this highlighter from the Flower Beauties. This is so nice. I'll also I'll show you कि ये भी कितना pigmented है. Can you see that? Can you just see that? This is very, very, very nice, and this is very pigmented. You'll just see it in a second. Very blinding highlighter, and really love this. Really love this. Can you just see this? Oh wow. It's so pretty. It looks so pretty. For that blinding and party looks, this is the one you can go for. Okay, so base is already done. Now let's get back to the main thing, which is the smoky eyes. So yeah, let me just get you a little closer. Okay, so now let's get back to the eyes. So the first thing you need is a cello tape just to get that sharp edges. So I'll be just applying it here. Quick tip, I realized it afterwards, but if you are using cello tape तो ये नीचे का मेकअप पूरा उखाड़ देता है. So make sure you do your eyes first and then your base. Black eyeshadow, and I'll be just applying it here. And messy way में लगा दो, कोई issue नहीं है, because we have to blend this out by default. So yeah, make sure आधे में ही लगाओ, पूरे में नहीं, and just apply it. My black to show more, so I'll be just taking a little bit of black and I'll be just applying it here. My transition shade on the top, and it blends everything completely nice. Like the last thing which we need to do here is to apply some mascara. So today I'll be using the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline, and can you see, this is so good. I really love this mascara. The only thing I don't like about mascara, they are very difficult to remove. The waterproof mascaras are very difficult to get out. इसलिए I try to use एकदम कम, so this is it you guys. I hope you like it. So this is the final result. The eyes look so pretty, so beautiful, and can you believe it is just done in 5 minutes? You can just try it, and I swear you would be so shocked with the results. So yeah, hope you like it. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also comment which things you would like to see next, and also join me on Instagram, and yeah, let's get interactive there as well. So yeah, thank you for watching.